Hello and welcome to Manitowoc Ice Service Training Center here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. My name is Jonathan and today we are going to show you the procedures for cleaning and sanitizing Indigo Next ice machines. We're using an IYT 0450A-161 for this example today. Now it's very important you only use Manitowoc approved cleaners for cleaning ice machines, part number 9405463, and Manitowoc Ice Sanitizer, part number 9405653. While performing these procedures, do not mix the cleaner and sanitize together, as the solutions would cancel each other out. Wear rubber gloves and safety glasses when handling the ice machine cleaner or sanitizer. For more detailed information on these procedures, refer to the installation, operation, and maintenance manual that comes with the ice machine. Or you can download a copy from our website, manitowocice.com. You are responsible for maintaining the ice machine in accordance with the installation, use, and care manual. Maintenance procedures are not covered under normal warranty, and they should be performed at least every 6 months. If the ice machine requires more frequent cleaning and sanitizing, consult a qualified service company to test the water quality and recommend appropriate water treatment. While you may do remedial cleanings more often, a deep cleaning should be performed every 6 months, which we are showing you today. This involves removing all the food zone components for a thorough deep cleaning and sanitizing. Manitowoc does offer integrated devices such as Luminice and iOrcs to help extend the time between deep cleanings. Check our website for those solutions.
So before we get started on today's procedure, we're going to need a few items. We will need a bucket. We will need some Manitowoc Ice Machine Cleaner. We will need some Manitowoc Ice Machine Sanitizer. Need a sponge, some brushes, some gloves, some safety glasses, a spray bottle, and some food-grade sanitary lubricant for the O-rings. External cleaning suggestions. Before we clean the inside of the machine, let's look at the outside. Clean the area around the ice machine as often as necessary to maintain cleanliness and efficient operation. Wipe surfaces with a damp cloth, rinsed in water to remove dust and dirt from the outside of the machine. If a greasy residue persists, use a damp cloth rinsed in a mild dish soap and water solution. Wipe dry with a clean cloth. Exterior panels have a clear coating that's stain resistant and easy to clean. Products containing abrasives will damage the coating and scratch the panels. Indigo Next uses Duratec aluminum panels that are easy to clean and have a better corrosion resistance than stainless steel. Never use steel wool or abrasive pads for cleaning. Never use chlorinated citrus-based or abrasive cleaners on exterior panels and plastic trim pieces. Ice machine cleaner is used to remove limescale and mineral deposits. Ice machine sanitizer disinfects and removes algae and slime. Step 1. Open the front cover and then put the machine into manual harvest. Note: although not required and dependent on your installation, removing the ice machine top cover may allow easier access. An alternative to manual harvest is to program the ice machine off, allowing the ice in the bin to be used up or melt. Never use anything to force ice from the evaporator. Damage may result. Step 2. Remove all the ice from the bin. Step 3. Press the clean button and follow the prompts. Select continue and then press the right arrow. Select turn off when complete. Water will flow through the water dump valve and down the drain. Wait approximately 1 minute until the water trough refills and the display indicates add chemical. Add the proper amount of ice machine cleaner to the water trough by pouring between the water curtain and evaporator, then confirm that the chemical was added. Step 4. Wait until the clean cycle is complete, approximately 24 minutes. This is depending on the incoming water pressure, which affects the length of the rinse and flush cycles. The clean cycle comprises of 10 minutes of washing, followed by 6 rinses and flushes. After complete, disconnect power to the ice machine and dispenser when used. Step 5. Remove parts for cleaning. Single evaporator is being used in this example. Each evaporator will have a distribution tube and a water curtain or damper assembly. Remove the water curtain. Gently flex the curtain in the center to remove it from the right side. Slide the left pin out and remove the curtain from the machine. Next, remove the ice thickness probe. Compress the hinge pin on the top of the ice thickness probe. Pivot the ice thickness probe to disengage one pin, then the other. The ice thickness probe can be cleaned at this point without complete removal. If complete removal is desired, disconnect the wiring from the control board. Remove the water trough. Depress the tabs on the right and left side of the water trough. Allow the rear of the water trough to drop as you pull it forward. This is to clear the water pump. Remove the water level probe. Pull the probe straight down to disengage. Lower until the wiring connector is visible. Disconnect the connector and then remove the probe from the machine. Remove the water distribution tube. Note, thumb screws for the distribution tube are retained to prevent loss. Loosen thumb screws, but do not pull thumb screws out of the distribution tube. Loosen the 2 outer screws and pull forward on the tube to release from the slip joint. On larger machines, you will need to disassemble the distribution tube by loosening the 2 middle thumb screws and dividing the assembly into 2 pieces. Step 6. Mix a solution of cleaner and lukewarm water. Depending upon the amount of mineral buildup, a larger quantity of solution may be required. Use the ratio of 1 gallon of water to 16 ounces of cleaner to thoroughly clean all parts. Step 7. Use half of the cleaner and water solution to clean all components. The cleaner solution will foam when it contacts the limescale and mineral deposits. Once the foaming stops, use a soft bristled nylon brush, sponge or cloth, but not a wire brush, to carefully clean the parts. Soak parts for 5 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes for heavily scaled parts, with the exception of the ice thickness probe and the water level probe. Rinse all components with clean water. Step 8. While the components are soaking, use half of the cleaner and water solution to clean all food zone surfaces of the ice machine and bin or dispenser. Use a nylon brush or cloth to thoroughly clean the following ice machine areas. 1. The side walls. 2. The base area above the water trough. 3. Evaporator plastic parts, including the top, bottom, and sides. 4. The bin or dispenser. 5. Rinse all the areas thoroughly with clean water. If a hose is not available, you could use a bucket of clean water. Step 9. Mix a solution containing 2 ounces of sanitizer mixed with 3 gallons of lukewarm water. Step 10. Use half of the sanitizer and water solution to sanitize all removed components. Fill a spray bottle and liberally apply the solution to all surfaces of the removed parts, or soak the removed parts in the sanitizer and water solution. Do not rinse the parts after sanitizing. Do not submerge or soak the ice thickness probe or water level probe in the sanitizer. Step 11. Use the other half of the sanitizer and water solution to sanitize all food zone surfaces of the ice machine and bin or dispenser. Use a spray bottle to liberally apply the solution. When sanitizing, pay attention to the following areas. 1. The side walls. 2. The base, the area above the water trough. 3. Evaporated plastic parts, including the top, bottom, and sides. 4. The bin or dispenser. Do not rinse the sanitized areas. Step 12. Apply a small amount of food-grade sanitary lubricant on any O-rings and replace all components. It's important to wait 20 minutes to allow the sanitizer to disinfect. Step 13. Reapply power. Press the clean button, follow the prompts, select continue, then press the right arrow. Select make ice when complete. Water will flow through the water dump valve and down the drain. Wait approximately 1 minute until the water trough refills and the display indicates add chemical. Add the proper amount of ice machine sanitizer to the water trough by pouring between the water curtain and the evaporator. Then confirm the chemical was added. Step 14. Now you can close and secure the front door. The ice machine will automatically start to make ice after the sanitized cycle is complete. This takes approximately 24 minutes.
And there you have it. The interior cleaning and sanitizing procedure is complete, and you should be ready for another 6 months of efficient operation. Hope to see you next time on one of our videos or one of our informative webcasts here from Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.